Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? And welcome back. I'm Hussein and I'm back again to bring you all some of the midweek review and the updates, how the market has been performing and how the market actually responded to our previous price action video forecast that we actually gave it to you all. Alright? And we have got a lot of events coming out. We had consumer confidence as expected into the red zone. We also had new home sales, a little bit of uptick, means a little bit more better than expected. I see the slowly, I mean, even though it will take some time, but the confidence was a little bit much better in the consumer confidence from United States. So for today, on Wednesday, we have got ECB President Lagarde speaks about the economical situation. So I believe that day news will be, this event will be having an impact on the euro pace, and all in all will be having a direct impact on the euro. Alright, so you can actually watch closely the comments of President Lagarde right after the speech, and you will know the direction on the euro, what and how it will be performing within the day. But I see that the risk is to the downside. However, we can wait and see when the outcome happens during the time of the release. Alright, then stock market had a good recovery. I see to share with you all. Looking ahead for Dow Jones Industrial Average, as we anticipated, anticipation on the market recovery, and all in all, overall, as you could see here, market had a nice rally up and it has been really recovering nicely. And if you see from here, we gave a forecast early of the week that how we're going to look for Dow Jones to go up from there. In fact, it did go up from this. I see that it will be going up because overall the confidence of investors is actually picking up after the new hopes of coronavirus vaccination. A lot of companies are actually taking action on it and working on it earlier than later, and all in all, that have actually boosted the investor confidence that the market is heading towards recovery. Facebook went up, right, and also looking ahead for S&P 500. S&P 500 also had a nice recovery overall within this week, and I see that the market has actually gained bullish theme for the time, but still once the vaccination is approved, or any of the companies will be officially coming up with the solution of a vaccination for the overcome of COVID-19, I see that this market will be rallying even more. But for now, it is giving us all sort of price actions which is towards this bullish momentum. Alright, almost a little bit more to complete this week. So moving on to some of the currency pairs, like for on anticipation that we had anticipated, right, we had a forecast for GBP USD to bounce up from here. But now I see that the structure has changed and we will be expecting this to actually come down, right? So all in all, that's to do with GBP USD. For Euro USD, it did go up. Now we see that and it is going to make its way back to the downside to complete this pattern, which is all the way down there. CHF JPY still taking a bit of time, but I see the trend is to the upside. And for Euro NZD, we had a forecast yesterday. The price will be going down. It did go down, and it was a nice rally. I still see that there's more room now, probably to the downside further. Even though it has reached to this untested support, I still see that either it's going to just push a bit up, and then again find its way to the downside, right? And having a review on USD CAD, we did anticipated that the pair will be going down, and respectfully it did go down, right? So Alright, so yeah, it was a nice rally for USD CAD. It had a nice actually rally to the downside. We still see that there's more room for USD CAD pair to go down because it has actually broken a very major pattern here, and I see that this is gonna keep trending down. How far? Yet to see, but I see there's a supports here, and another one here. All right, on intraday basis. So we see that this pair has got opened the room for this to go down further. So here you go, more room coming to the downside for USD CAD. CAD JPY, as anticipated, we had a forecast on this that this will be pushing up, and it did push up, and it has actually reached to this verified resistance. But I still see that it is going to break this resistance because the pattern itself is telling us the story that it wants to form another higher highs, right? So we see more room for CAD JPY to the upside. And looking ahead for other markets, AUD USD, it has been trending up as we spoke about it, but the thing is we need to find a sell opportunity of this pair anytime soon, but not for now. I still see that the pair is still like pushing up, and it will take some time before it's make its way to the downside. I still see that probably it's going to come in temporarily and then tends to go up again. Alright, that is for AUD USD. For GBP NZ, we are seeing more downside coming soon. It did not break that previous. Alright, so we see that there's more downside coming for GBP and that. Here you go. Alright, Euro JPY, even though it did not push up from this level, but we still see that it will be taking some time now. However, maybe the pattern is actually changing right now, and it is not pushing up that much as we were expecting. So what it could be, I see that it could be just dropping down to this level, and then we will see what happens next. Right, so that's all for today, for today's forecast for our midweek review. We will be coming back again on Friday to give you an overall week review, what actually happened, how the market moved, all in all. Right, well, not only that, within the week, like for later today, we also have got a live London session in which we will be spotting more and more entries that will be giving you precise stop loss and take profit levels. Right, I will be signing off for now, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. Take care and bye bye.